In this video, we are covering the beautiful Highland Park and Martyrs Lane of Azerbaijan. This place is nearby Baku, the capital of Azerbaijan. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. The Flame Tower is the landmark of Baku. These three towers are shaped like flames, reflecting the nickname, the Land of Fire. The flame towers are situated in the mountainous part of Baku city. The flame towers are surrounded by some of Baku's most significant landmarks and attractions, combining history, modernity, and natural beauty. Here we can see panoramic and the mesmerizing beauty of the city, Caspian Sea, and Baku's skyline. The surrounding area also includes Highland Park, which provides breathtaking view of Baku's garden. At night, the towers light up with dynamic LED displays that depict beautiful visuals, turning them into a stunning focal point of Baku's skyline. The Martyrs Lane is a solemn memorial located near the Flame Towers in Baku. It honors those who lost their lives during significant historical events in Azerbaijan's struggle for independence and sovereignty. The memorial honors those killed during the Black January tragedy in 1990, when Soviet troops violently suppressed Azerbaijanese independence protests. It also commemorates soldiers who died during the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict and individuals from the earlier struggle for Azerbaijan's independence in the early 20th century. The area is marked by a long alley lined with graves and a perpetual flame of remembrance at the end. This video. For more traveling content like this, subscribe to our channel, give a thumbs up to support us. If you have any queries, please let us know. Thank you for watching. Peace.